Grid method will start from the any one of the row. Starting from that means each and every grid question will check, and again it comes to the zigzag, like it goes to there and again comes to the first line, again it starts from the second row, so it goes like that. Clear? So that is what about the grid method, grid search method. And in this actually there are some drawbacks also there, because it has to be cover all the dimensional, all the areas, all the grids it has to cover. And one is time consumption, another one is maybe it is searching for all, no, maybe due to that which will not able to produce the best result also. Okay, best result actually, no, in this AI generally there are different search strategies are there. Okay, so based on that which will go, and some of the search strategies are having backtracking method. Backtracking method means, for example, I am following one of the path. Okay, I am not able to identify something what I have to identify. If I am not getting the best solution, then again I am coming to that particular point, again I am choosing some other path. Clear? That means that different path we can select. First we need to analyze that which one is the best solution is providing. For example, you can take one example of that shortest path identification. Okay, shortest path identification, you have to follow any one of the tree. Okay, on the tree, whatever the final value, if it is not getting, again you have to go for second one, like that. Okay, that is called backtracking method. And one more thing, there are some conditions are there for the backtracking method. Okay, if condition satisfied, then it goes for the next step, otherwise it goes for the previous step. Previous step means that some other route. Clear? So that is in AI there is the such strategies are there. Okay, that I will just convey you like what are the types are there. Okay, you can just later on you can like practice it. Next one is random search. Random search simply as I already told you, like as I am asking question to you, like how I am evaluating, just randomly I am asking to stand up anyone and I am asking question. No? The similar way, randomly which will pick. Okay, randomly which will pick, and it depends on that. For example, if randomly I am asking to 2 students, 3 students, they are saying answer means I feel that okay, the students have got it, so that's why they are able to reply the answer. Understand? So that is one kind of best solution. Sometime in this also we will not get the best solution if the students are not getting, or if the search method is not able to identify the proper values. Clear? But as per the time consumption point of view, this one is very good, which will not make us say like more time consumption, so which will randomly which will take and which will produce the result. Now this is what actually in this we are having, as I already told you, randomized search or grid search is there, and CV we have to use. The CV means nothing, this is called cross validation. CV means it is called cross validation. Whenever you are going to install in this, either you have to use the grid search CV or randomized search CV. That is the method you have to use. Inside the method we are using different parameters. Okay, these are the hyperparameters where you can adjust your model. Understand? These are the parameters where you can adjust the model. We have to provide the values for this all, like estimator, param grade, scoring, okay, end job SNAN, okay, IID, like that. There are different is there. So this all we have to pass the values. So that's what just what is the use of that one, just I am just conveying to you. First one is estimator. Estimator, the model which we are optimizing. What is the model you are going to use, or what is the model you are going to optimize? Clear? Whatever the model, like linear regression, multiple regression, logistic regression, whatever the model you are going to optimize. Param grid means the like search space in the form of dictionary. Okay, form of dictionary means nothing, the values like input data. Okay, that is called search space. Okay, from the input data only which is predicting, every iteration which will goes for each and every data. Okay, so that is what. So that has to be provided in the form of dictionary. Clear? So that is what actually, this is what as I already told you, the arguments to the model, and the values are discrete values are a distribution of values to samples in case of random search. Generally, in case of random search means it is the distribution of values, or in case of grid search means whole value will be taken. Every values. Scoring means evaluation metrics that we want to use. Okay, that metrics means what? Some of the metrics we are using, like accuracy, recall, precision. Okay, in case of linear regression, what is the things? MAE, MSE, RMSE, R square. Right? So these are the metrics which we are using in order to identify, in order to analyze whether it is giving the good prediction or not, a good classifier or not, like that. Clear? So for that purpose we are using, and CB, it is the validation. How many times you are going to validate? Okay, for example, I am having one model, I am having one training system. Okay, once I am putting the input data to that, I am just validating. Okay, what is the prediction, like that. Okay, I am not satisfied with that. Again I am validating the system. Clear? Again I am not satisfied. Again I am validating the system, like that. So number of times, how many times you want to validate? So that is what. And verbose, it can be set to 1. Okay, to get details print out while we fit the data. If you want to go for get the printout of that, like data details, if you want, then you can use 1. Otherwise, it is by default as a 0. So you can check it here also. It is set it as a 0 only. Where is verbose? This one. Clear? Verbose is 0. Okay. So like that. So these are the parameters. Like njobs means number of processor we are wish to run parallelly, like parallel processing, like that. Okay, so these are the parameters where you can use this one, and if you are not satisfied with the grid search, then you can go for the random search CB or Bayes search CB. Clear? Clear this one? What is meant by tune model or fine tune model, tune model? I hope it is clear to you. This is what one example how the values are passed into this. That depends on that, like C value, epsilon value, depends on the formula what method you are using. Here we are using support vector measure, SVR, regression, support vector regression. Okay, depends on that the values will be varying because the formulas are there, the parameters are there. Okay, depends on that this vary. Understand now? If you want to fine tune, then you have to go for it, otherwise no need. Okay. Now, as I already told you, yesterday we were discussed about the decision tree. Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
Is there any doubt on that?
No, sir.
Okay, decision tree, root node, from that, which is taking some condition. Okay, condition S means one tree, condition no means another tree. This is called splitting. This is called splitting. Again, particular position, like particular position, again there will be the some statement or condition. If it is yes, it goes for some tree. Again, if no means it goes for some tree. Like that, it is just developing the trees. So, if you are able to provide the final conclusion, end nodes, that is called leaf node. What is meant by pruning? Pruning means removing unwanted trees. Okay, unwanted trees, as I already told you, for example, in case of the backtracking method, okay, I just followed one of the path up to some of the portion in between I came. I felt that which will not going to produce the good result furthermore. Clear? I processed up to some of the step, like 3 step, 4 step, I just analyzed. After that, it clearly visible that it is not going to provide the best solution. Understand? There itself you can just put a stop, you can remove the remaining trees. No need to follow that one. Understand? Again it goes to the root node, or again it goes to the previous node, so which will analyze. This is called backtracking. Backtracking means nothing. You are doing the one process, one searching algorithm or searching strategy you are using. With the help of that, you are following step by step. Okay. There are some conditions are there. If condition is not satisfied, that means which is not going to produce the best solution. Clear? There are like heuristic searches there, heuristic values is there. Okay. Based on the heuristic value, the condition will be satisfied. Heuristic value like less than or greater than like that. Okay. If it is less than, then which will create some best result. If it is greater than, then we should not produce best result. Like that, some conditions is there with the help of the heuristic value. Okay, so that is what that all in a search strategy or search method it is available. So from that it will come. So this is what about like root node, leaf node, and splitting and pruning. Okay, this is what I told about. Okay, look at this one. Just question is that is a person fit? Just the problem statement title or question like that. Okay. Now what is the condition here? Age less than 30. What is the possibility? Yes or no? Less than 30 or not less than 30? Only two options is there, yes or no? So that is what. Yes means one which will follow one tree. No means which will follow another tree. Now here, what is again one more condition? It's not outside. Yes means like yes means unfit. No means fit. Say for example, like if it is for selection of any game player. Okay, it may be cricket, volleyball, anything. Okay, we may take it this way, whether the person is the player is fit or not. Okay, maybe more than 30, but regularly doing exercise. Yes means fit, no means unfit. Clear? No means like me. I am not doing any exercise. Okay, simply sleeping and simply coming to the class. Right? Okay.